Hello everyone, my name is Nicdao, and today I will be walking you through a application that I created using the Python language. Now this application is a graphical user interface created for my second year of college for my programming course. This application is a meal app connected to an API database where the user can search whatever meal they want or whatever dish they want, and information about that dish will be shown through the application. Now let's see how the app actually works. Let me just run the code here real quick. So here's an instruction box which tells the user how to interact with the application, and to enter a name of a dish, to see the details about it, and there will also be a link where you can see a video tutorial of the recipe, which you'll see in a moment. Let's click OK here. Now here is the layout of the application. Very simple, simple colors, nothing too big. Let's type a meal. Let's say shawarma. Shawarma. Now if we click search, it'll look through the database and it will display all these details from the API database. So name of the dish obviously is shawarma. Category is chicken. Area it's from Egypt, and the main ingredient right here is chicken thighs, and right here is the instructions on how to create your own shawarma. If you want, you can click this link here for a video tutorial for the recipe of that shawarma. Let me just skip this ad right here. So here's the video from the internet on how to create your own chicken shawarma. I'm not gonna play the entire thing, obviously, for copyright purposes. So yeah, that's basically how the application works. Let's try another meal. Let's say Big Mac from McDonald's. Let's see if there's a Big Mac in the database, and there is. So there's a Big Mac. Category will be beef. Area it's from America. The main ingredient is minced beef, and the instructions are right here on how to create your own Big Mac. And there's also a video tutorial again here from the internet on how to create your own Big Mac. So, there we go. So that is the app. Let's look at the code real quick. Let's see. Let's stop the application from running for now. So I'm using Visual Studio Community 2022 to create this application. I'm using the Python language and using tkinter for the application window for the graphical user interface, and I'm importing the API through JSON. So let's look at the code. Let's look at the blocks of code. This little function right here, it's basically how the YouTube video link is being called. Basically, it'll just open a new tab in the browser that you're using to open the YouTube link. And then right here is the function where the details of the dish that was typed by the user is displayed into the application or the graphical user interface. And then this right here is the message box for an error input. Basically, if you type anything or any dish that's not in the database, or if you type something random, it'll display an error message that tells you that it's an invalid input. Let's see if it works. So click OK, and if you type just something random, for example whatever that is, let's click search, and it will display an error message saying invalid input. So it works great. And then this blocks of code right here, it's basically how the layout of the application is created. Very simple code, nothing too big. And then this block of code right here is how the program takes the user's input and it transfers it through here using so this is how the application gets the user's input, and then it transfers it to the database, and then the database responses. So yeah, that's basically how this app works. Thank you guys for watching.